Hi, today I'm going to show you easy trick to fix the X generation's Honda Civic sun visor. I think many of you have experienced the sun visor no longer intact. The case just fall apart after the summer. One easy way is actually a metal grip. The problem is the sun visor case itself start to open itself, it melt, and the spring will no longer hold the spring inside the visor. So what you have to do is to put a clip on outside the case to keep the sun visor intact, and then to put pressure on the spring inside the case. In order to do that, you do need to swing the sun visor out, so this way you can put the clip in the edge. Be careful with that because it's not that economical, easy to put the clips on. But once you put the clips on, your sun visor will be fixed, just like this. And you can still open to use the mirror in the sun visor. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please thumbs up as well as subscribe. Looking forward to see you soon.